Hi, welcome again in this video. Now let's talk about CSS Selector. CSS selectors are like labels that help you pick which HTML element you want to start. Think of a classroom. You can call out all students, elemental selector, a group wearing blue class selector, or one specific student by name ID selector. In the same way, CSS selectors help you target and style specific content. The element selector targets all elements of a specific type. For example, to style all p tags in below. Use when you want to style all elements of the same type. One tip, remember, affects every matching tag on the page. Class selectors target a group of elements with the same class name. Add a dot before the class name. You want to style multiple elements similarly, reusable across many elements. ID selector. ID selector targets one unique element before the ID name. H1 define the ID main heading and into the text welcome. Use when styling a unique element. Tip ID must be a unique on the page. Why selector matter? They let you precisely control how your page looks from individual text to all full screen.